like I said earlier, I just want somebody that can do the sales, go find the advertisers so I can do what I know how to do and not waste any more energy on hear a no or radio silence. And I'm trying to keep it as positive as I can.
Right. Well, that's hard to do. What I'm trying to do is figure out what in the hell is this person going to sell. I mean, understand that's what these questions are to do is for because I'm a regular dude and I've listened to you tell me for 30 minutes what you do, but between the meeting and now, and I thought I had it figured out, but I'm wrong. See, I thought that what you do was sell promotion. See, I have guys that hit me up on DMs every day. Hey, we've got 10 million followers, and for $50, we'll put your we'll do a post with your shit in there, and you're guaranteed to get X amount of thousand views on it. That's promotions. That's what I thought you were telling me you did. But then you
I
were
guess
talking
it could be,
about
I guess
yeah, then you were talking about videography, and I was like, okay, well, what he wants to do is do sports videography, but he wants to get a premium because he has a following, right? But then you're saying, nah, that's a side thing. I only get 2 customers a year. So my question is this: what is the person going to sell for you? Number one. Number two, how are you going
the
to
average
continue to drive traffic to it if you're only doing 1 or 2 gigs a year?